How you doing, everybody? Welcome back. My name is Nestor. Make sure you guys go to automechanicclub.com and sign up for the newsletter and pick up a shirt. It helps with supporting the channel. Hit the like button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. So today we're going to be answering the question that one of you guys asked me yesterday, actually, and I thought it was really good because it had something to do with the video I just posted. And I think you guys need this because a lot of people have been asking me. That's why I made the other video about your girlfriend and how she hates you. No, I'm just kidding. But you know what I mean. Stop being weak, guys. I mean, God, most of you guys' problem with women is just like, you guys are just being like, you're not standing up for yourself. And it always comes down to this. You guys have a scarcity mindset with everything. You cannot do that. You always have to have an abundance mindset. So a mindset of, I don't need this. I can go fucking find another job if I need it, okay? That's basically the mindset you have to have, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. This guy asked me, I need advice. Since I got a raise, a service writer wants me to do work for free or for less because I got a raise. They think because I got a guarantee they don't have to pay me. I have gotten into arguments about it with no change. Should I refuse to do the work if they don't want to pay me? What did I just say? A lot of you guys are going through a lot of these issues because you guys don't stand up for yourselves. Number one, the second thing you guys are messing up on is you guys don't have consequences that you guys have put in place for situations like this. And the third problem that you guys are having is that you guys aren't willing to follow through with the consequences that you've set. Okay? Yesterday I talked about setting boundaries for your girlfriend. If people step over those boundaries, you warn them. If they don't want to follow through and they keep stepping over the line, you leave. You're like, peace out. There's consequences for you guys not doing what I want because this is my life. If you guys don't want to follow the rules of my life that I've set for myself, then that's fine. You don't have to follow those rules, but you ain't got to be in my life. Basically the same thing what you do with your job. In your job, you say there's an agreement. They're going to pay you X amount of money for you to do this work, right? If you do the work, they're going to pay you. If you don't do the work, they're going to fire your ass. Okay, same thing with you though. You have a standard of how you want to be treated. Okay, if this guy is like, they're telling him, hey man, do this work for free. It's like, the agreement is that you pay me for the fucking work that I'm doing. If you don't want to pay me for this work, I'm going to go find someone somewhere else that's going to follow the agreement. And then if they still keep doing it, you don't argue. You warn them once. You warn them once. Maybe twice if it's just like on the edge. Then if they don't want to go follow through with the action, then you're like, okay, well the consequence is that you're not fucking following through with your agreement. I'm getting out of here. I'm gonna go find another job that does follow the agreement. Peace out, bro. And then you go find another job. Simple. Guys, it's not difficult, right? It seems simple, but I understand the hang up that you guys have. The hang up that you guys have is because you guys are in a scarcity mindset. You think it's going to be difficult to find another job. You think that you're not valuable because of whatever reason. You just don't have a good self-esteem, which is completely okay. We're going to work on all that stuff. I want you guys to value your work. I want you guys to value yourself. I want you guys to set a standard for what you want to be treated as and how you want to get paid and how much you should get paid. The people that make a lot of money, guys, they make a lot of money because they set themselves up to make sure that they make that amount of money because they have standards. Right? I'm more like, well, I want a fucking Lamborghini. Well, I want to live in a really, really nice house. Well, I don't want anybody to tell me what to do. Well, I want to make $1 million a year. Well, I'm going to go get it because that's a standard that I've set for myself. Now, if you don't want to set those standards, you're going to be in this position where you just keep running around with the same BS. You guys are arguing over dumb stuff when you guys should have just been like, okay, bye. There's other people that are going to pay me this money for the skill set that I have. Bye. I don't fucking need this. I have a standard for how I want to be treated and how much I want to get paid for the work that I do. Because I know how much value there is in that. Okay? So it all comes down to the shitty mindset you guys have and that you guys don't want to enforce the boundaries that you guys have set for yourselves. And you guys are just arguing like women every single time the shit doesn't happen. And then guess what happens? They keep mistreating you because they know you ain't going to do nothing about it. That's what it comes down to. Okay? And that's what it comes down to with everything in your life. People keep mistreating you because you ain't going to do nothing about it. It's empty threats, empty threats. When I tell people, don't talk to me like that or we're going to have a fucking problem. They keep fucking talking to me like that, we're going to have a problem. There is no argument. I ain't going to argue with you, oh, hey, bro, I told you not to talk to me like that. And we're going to be screaming back at each other for 5-10 minutes. No, it's going to be like, Don't talk to me like that, or we're gonna have a problem. Okay, I told you we're gonna have a fucking problem, so now we have a fucking problem. What's up? That's it. Okay? It never gets to that point because people understand that I'm fucking serious when I say, don't talk to me like that, we're gonna have a fucking problem. People feel it. They're like, oh, okay, well, this motherfucker's serious. Okay? But you say, hey, we agreed that I was gonna get paid. Like, I understand that I got a raise, but I can't do this for free. I mean, I gotta make money, man. Like, what are you talking about? What? Like, I gotta get paid, man. I mean, we could work something out, but like, I gotta get paid. And the other guy's all like, well, nah, man. Sorry. Either you do this or I don't know what to tell you. And then you go fucking do it because you're a biatch. So I want you guys to set up your standards. I want you guys to put some boundaries around whatever you guys want. I want you guys to set consequences for people that are stepping over those lines. And then I want you guys to have the mindset, the abundance mindset, to say to yourself, my skill set is worth something. I want to be treated a certain way. If people don't want to follow the way that I want to be treated, fine. I'm going to go find somewhere else that wants me to do the work that I know I can do, the skill set that I have, and that are going to treat me right. Bye. And that's it. Okay? But a lot of you guys are living, lives that you guys don't want to live. You guys are overextending yourselves because you guys want to keep up with the Joneses. You guys are buying shit you don't need. You guys are buying Snap-on tools when you can't afford them. You guys are doing a bunch of stuff that is wasting a bunch of your money. So you're leveraged. You have a bunch of debt. You have to work at a job. And if you get fired and you don't work for 2 weeks, you're fucked. There's a lot of problems you guys have that are leading to these issues that are causing you to have a scarcity mindset. Okay? And I know this, guys, because I've been there. I've been in a position where I couldn't leave a job because if I did, then I would have been fucked. But then I was like, you know what? Fuck this. How am I going to get out of this situation that's keeping me here? Okay? The way I got out of those situations is I started my side hustle. I started making more money on the side. I raised up my income, paid off all my debt. As soon as I paid off all my debts, I left the fucking job. And then I went and found another job. I made sure that I didn't make the same mistakes of buying a bunch of tools that I didn't need or that I needed, but I didn't, I could have done something else with it. I got myself out of debt, so I never got back into debt. I made sure that I lived cheap. I wasn't going and buying a badass apartment, that I was never at for $5,000 a month when I could have been living in a 1-bedroom with somebody for $800, and then I would have been cool and I would have been saving, $4,200 every single month. Okay, I did everything properly so that I had the ability to have the abundance mindset. I built myself up. I built up my skill set so that when I did have to leave that job, I knew I was going to find another one because my skills are valuable. Okay, I learned how to speak and how to articulate my ideas and how to get that through and how to sell myself. I learned how to do all of this stuff so I didn't have to fucking stay at a job I didn't want to stay at. And I could tell people, fuck you, I don't need this. That's what I want for you guys. And that's what we're going to keep doing here. Thanks so much for watching. Hit the like button. At the end of the day, guys, set the standards, follow through with it, and if you don't, you're going to get the same of this. And this is how you solve this issue. You're arguing with your manager over how much you're getting fucking paid. This is the agreement we agreed on in the beginning. What? Get out of here, bro. Pay me my money or I'm leaving. Oh, you don't want to? Cool. Let me get my toolbox. Bye. I'll see you later.